Yes. All right. Cool. Okay. So, um, I don't know why I put scale factor there, but I guess if they ask you to find it, we can find it. Okay. Um, you should look at the markings. Okay. This clearly means that line that's going down the middle is a segment bisector. Okay. So I'll fill in the information. Every time they give you something to work with and you can fill in information, just fill it in. Okay, it doesn't hurt. So that's a 6 and this is an 8. Okay. This should help you now match up like related sides to do a ratio. Okay. So if I want to find scale factor, just scale factor straight up with what I'm given. I'll use xy. And what am I going to compare xy with? TS. Okay, so you see it's at like the base of the triangles. Okay, so if that's TS, I think you'll have 6 over 8, right? Yeah. And then you simplify that, and what do you get? 3 over 4. Okay, so your scale factor is going to be 3 over 4. Okay. And I can just do that, right? I can just do 1 because what did they start me out with? They said it. What did they say? What's given? They're similar. Okay, so if they're similar, right, very important, your work is sort of cut out for you. Okay, so scale factor, you can only do 1 ratio. Okay, so the next one, this one's to find x, set up ratio to find x. Okay, I will do something very similar as what we've been doing in the past. All right, xy over, was it TS? Should be equal to what over what? And I'm not plugging in numbers right now, right? So the one in question is to find the little x, right? How do you call that side right there? YC? Did you say P? Oh, that doesn't tell us much. The ones in the middle. Yeah. So yes, you do. Look. What's that? YP. Okay, and PS. Okay. We already know what XY over TS is, right? Yeah. It's okay for me to just straight up say it's 3/4, right? It's understandable? Okay. YP is X over 20. And then this one's a 1 step, right? If you want to do butterfly, you can do butterfly. What do you guys want to do? Just multiply? Okay, so just multiply. I think I did this with you guys. In my head, I do 20 divided by 4. That becomes 5. So 5 times 3 is 15. So 15 is equal to X, which is also PS? PY? PY. Yeah. Okay. Because X is the same as PY. Just put another equal sign. Okay, you guys ready for some sort of new stuff? Yeah, ready? Okay. I know these theorems are fairly short. I'd like you guys to copy them down.
Would you like us to?
Yes, I would. I just said that.
It's the same old problem.
It is. But I also find that you guys writing them down, you tend to remember it a little more because I typically give you this and basically like the answers are here, but I guess some of us only looks at the pictures, but we don't read what they tell us. So, copy it down. What? He just gave you everything?
Yeah, he didn't take notes.
Really? You just did problems?
Yeah.
No, it's 'cause honors class. Expects you to know everything. I mean, I would.
This isn't about you.
This is Okay, I'll zoom in on this part. Do you guys want me to post the map for food fair?
Yes.
Yeah, does anyone else give it to you? No one else? Okay, so I'll post it into Classroom so you guys can look at it. If I don't, can somebody remind me?
My teacher forgot to tell me to go to class. Because of their bells, I was doing work.
Who is it?
Miss Lee or Miss Chi. I'm her TA.
Oh.
So I was doing work.
Library?
Huh?
Library?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, but she forgot to tell me to go to class, so like.
It's okay. Oh. Here.
Is that my test? Yeah, it's the new sheet. When do I get my test?
Yeah, so as you guys are finishing up this stuff, okay, basically what we're doing is we're still finding the ratios, right? But this time, this theorem says that the ratio of two of the relative sides should be the same as the perimeters, the ratio of the perimeters, okay? So we're gonna be looking at that stuff. You guys remember how to find perimeter?
No.
How do we find perimeter of a shape?
Wait, don't you like that?
Add up all the sides. Okay? Yeah.
It's because you either add or you multiply. I mix them up.
Yeah. Area is multiply. Perimeter is adding. And then you're gonna see area later. Why not? Usually when you do a perimeter, you do it with the other one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go.
That's fun.
Yeah, I know. They gave you it's a very interesting pentagon. Huh? Yeah, this is a different example for the theorem. Okay? So you can call it example 2.
Interesting.
Don't worry, for the area one, they give you triangles. So, yeah. They don't want to, end your life with pentagons. Oh, but the pentagon will become a problem later. We might see some issues later.
We try to help or make it worse.
Well, of course we're trying to help.
Stop talking.
No can do. No can do. I have to show you the crazy part that will come later.
But I have to say this last.
And then we talk about circles. It's okay, you guys got it. Yeah. As long as you know. Come back. Did you get mad? Did you get mad? Usually he gets mad at me. Yeah, going to. Well, I can't really. It says given. Pentagon, why? I need to change this. Yeah.
Cut it off.
Good? Good? No? Okay, I think I simplify this process for you guys by providing steps. Okay, so I have 3 steps for you guys. Ready?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah? Okay, the first step is whichever polygon they give you that has like all the information, right? So they usually give you one with all the sides, and then they give you one with barely anything. Okay? Take the polygon that they gave you with all the sides, find what they're asking from you. So like either area or perimeter. In this case it's perimeter, right? So how do we find perimeter again? Add them all up. What am I adding up? The sides. So start me off with some sides. 15 plus 9 plus 12 plus 15 and 18. And what does that give you? 69. Great. Okay, so they give you that number. Now you gotta go find scale factor. Okay, so you're gonna go and look at the sides that are like similar to each other. Okay, and some, huh? AB, right here, AB, and FG. Okay. So if I do that, AB over FG, that's equal to 10 over 15, right?
No, I'm taking out Kevin. Easy time.
Maybe if we finish this, maybe give him like 4 minutes. Yeah. What's 10 over 15? 2 over 3. Okay, so that's your scale factor. So k is equal to 2 over 3. Okay, now what you're gonna do is you take the scale factor and you're gonna multiply that to the perimeter that you just found. Okay, so I'm gonna take 69, multiply that with 2 over 3, and you get perimeter of pentagon Y. Okay. I will not keep writing that. What?
Finish the second one.
46. Okay. Yeah. All right. And you guys can use calculator for that, but if you don't want to, I like to think of it as 69 divided by 3 first. Zoom out
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah.
Okay, what's 69 divided by 3? 20. 23. Okay, so that's 23. So it's 23 times 2. That's 46, right? Okay. You need to check something. Right? You need to check to see if the ratio matches, right? So you have the two perimeters now, yes? Yeah, you do. You found the perimeter of pentagon Y. You found perimeter of pentagon Z. You gotta divide them. Okay, so check. You got what? 46 over 69. What does that equal to? Two over 3. What'd you say? You guess? Someone run it through a calculator or something? 2 over 3? You sure? Okay, what's the decimal? Just in case we use calculator to find decimal. I know you guys will find that and you'll get stuck. Okay, other people who are doing it right now, check. Is that right? Yes? Yes? Okay, now you check it with your scale factor. Okay? Scale factor was 2 over 3, yeah?
Yeah.
Isn't that 0.6 same thing?
Yeah.
Okay, so once you get those two being the same, you're done. Good. Okay? In your homework, I don't require you to check it. It's a good idea to practice checking it just to see if you're like doing it right. Okay? But like in the test, I probably will want to check it just in case. Okay? Okay, can I go on?
Yeah.
Okay. Last theorem and last example. I think I can do this. Okay, the idea here is very similar, okay? You're still gonna work with ratios, but then when it comes to the sides, you have to square it because we're talking about area. Just make sure you guys got that little 2 right there. All right. Last example. Triangle. I wonder what Alan threw in my mind when I was doing geometry. Huh? Maybe not. No. No, it's not. Nice try though. I think I know what you're trying to do. Okay, you guys ready? Yeah? Alright. Okay, so if you use the theorem that we just talked about, right? You gotta set up a ratio between the 2 areas. Okay? So I'll do area of, was it ABC? Yeah. Triangle ABC over area triangle DEF. Okay, and you might think it's just, oh, I'm gonna divide 36 by 2. Okay, but it's not that simple. I gotta set up the sides over here. And remember that squared will play a big part of it. Okay? Since I put area of ABC on top on the left side, right? I need to put AB on top on the right side. And then DE at the bottom. Okay? Once you have this all set up, you just plug in and go. Okay? Area of ABC is 36, right? Yeah. Okay. Area of triangle DEF. That's what you're trying to find. But from right here, you can use X. I'll just put capital A for area. Okay. And then AB was what? 10 over 5. Just make sure that these two are the same thing. Just letting you guys know. Okay. And then 10 over 5 simplifies to what? 2. Okay, so basically right here you're gonna have 2 squared. What is 2 squared? I don't know why I'm writing smaller. 4. Okay, how do you get A out of there? Multiply it out. Yeah, so multiply both sides by A. Okay, and then you have 36 is equal to 4A. Divide both sides by 4. And what's 36 divided by 4? 9. So your area is 9 for a triangle DEF. Okay? And of course, you can check it. Right? Of course, you can check it. Basically, plug it back into that original that I have at the top, like over here. Okay? If you do that, this is your check. You got 36 over 9 is equal to that same right side, 10 over 5 squared. Pretty much, you're just checking to see if 4 is equal to 4. And then you're done. Okay? That's it. Any questions? Your homework is over here.
Do you have the homework sheet?
I do. But I was gonna pass it out like tomorrow. You want today?
Yeah.
It's in there.
In the block?
No, on top of the fridge.
I should put this photo on the right. The Knox one. Can you send this one?
Can you pass this down?
How do you get this? I just have guys. Disney. My little sister. She posted. She runs a lot. I've been on Knox like 2 times in my life. The first time I ever went to Knox was because of after school. I've never been to Knox back. Gotta do my homework. Well, you know, I only go to Disneyland. We were supposed to go this week, but it was raining, so I don't know what we're doing. Man, we start next year. Everybody go until Saturday or what? Nope, I'll be on play next year. I'm talking about this year. What? I'm talking about this year. What are you talking about? Are you going to the Saturday? For what? Baseball. Yep. Everybody on left over. Who's gonna play center? What?
Not really, even this page.
next year?
What?
Baseball?
I'm a varsity next year.
What number this year?
42.
I already asked for it.
Look at Jake.
I asked for 42.
You're left.
Were you in a pro club?
Yes.
I'm not doing it.
I went on there like 4 different times. Come on, Jeremy. Come on.
She marked me out for 7 classes. When I'm not taking 7 classes.
Fine, child.
I'm 6. I'm taking Doug and Yvonne over the summer. She's like, I'm just gonna put you as. Oh, oh. I don't need to.
I spent like $3. I spent like 50. I spent $10 on pineapple. I spent $10 on pineapple.
Did she tell you to choose between these two?
Well, I love pineapple.
It's like,
No, she's allowing me to do 2.
What's the best pickle?
I don't know why. I just, no, it's because I'm taking Doug over summer.
You're still here? We'll make some football next week.
I don't think we would have one. I don't think we would have one.
But what do you think you would South South? South South. You South South Cali wings.
I don't know. Who that is.
Cali wings.
It's not that.
Those cookies are fire.
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
But did you see that thing where it was like, someone was like, or was it
She did. That was like his cousin.
It's not transaction.
You know, the Cali wing ride is crazy. Oh, yeah. I went to the whole second half.
I spent $13 on that.
How many people have you buy?
So I got one big by itself, but like, I give her $5, right? She gave me $5.
She gave me $1 back. Catering Thompson? What is it?
and I'm like,
Catering.
why? I don't know, but I do. At least you don't put your notes on the.
That's true.
I'm taking
I'm thinking right
Ignore econ. I'm getting summer.
Hey, did you
Don't
hear
worry,
his
like,
dad?
oh, okay.
Hey, did you hear his dad's leave?
you can add in your own.
Did he leave or he died?
You had a stepdad.
Yeah, it's like that guy, did he not?
What do you mean was in the military? His stepdad?
Stepdad.
Hey, remember that bill he gave out? And he said it was gonna get passed around?
Hey, what happened to that?
She said, I didn't.
Do you think AJ still has it?
I don't know what's wrong with me, but I just think it's
Set up your user.
Yes, so.
Oh, that's a cookie place?
Represent. Why did she not bring leaves?
if you buy
Where they
it,
located?
San Diego.
You don't need those. So if they give
What's the
you
name of the
these,
business?
then you're
My
gonna put 32,
catering company.
and then the one in the
I
middle.
think you can't just take my whole thing. You didn't give me your snacks.
Yeah.
You don't, you gave me a little piece of cookie. Whatever that shit was.
Drinks over 16, and you go to.
Welcome to
So
Disneyland.
if you're gonna do this stuff on top, if you're gonna do this on top first, the other side of the equal sign, Jerry has to do this one.
Welcome to Disneyland.
So basically, I'm saying like you need the same
I
shape,
got
like
it here.
in the same place.
That's just gonna be bomb.
You're gonna do the big stuff on top. You gotta make sure on the other, show you make the big stuff.
I don't know, if they mess up